Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. I have a fun unboxing today. I'm going to be unboxing the new junk journal box from Kellofaplan and Whimsy Luxe. This is a collab box and I'm so excited to see all the goodies in here. I've been actually seeing posts about this. I think there was a planner event that some of these items were featured at recently. So I've seen some little sneaks of what's in here, but I haven't opened it up myself, but I'm excited to actually get in here and unbox this. And if you're interested in purchasing this box, it is releasing on Friday, which is the 15th. I'll have the time and all that info down in the description. Also my affiliate link if you're interested in purchasing. But I'm excited because I'm trying to get into the junk journaling world. I've done like one spread so far, but I had fun making it. So I'm excited to have some new products to use for that journaling that I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be more creative, so I'm excited to get some new products. So I plan on unboxing these, just showing you all the things that are in this box, and then I'll have another video on release day where I'm actually using the products. Okay, so like I said, it is a collab box with Kellofaplan and Whimsy Luxe. We got Heather from Kellofaplan and Marielle from Whimsy Luxe that collabed together to make this box. And look at the box. The box is so cute. It has little polka dots on the front. I love the little buttons, like all the junk journaling things. On the sides, it's got stripes, and then we got some of the plaid. It's just so cute. Cute, fun box. All right, so let's open it up and see what's inside. We have some cute tissue paper that you can use in your junk journaling too. So I love that. And then here we have the products. Okay, so let's go through here. Let's see what this first one is. Oh, you know what? I actually just got my first one of these recently at a stationery event that I went to. I bought a little clip. So this is a little like clip to hold the pages down, which I'll show later, but look at it, it looks so cute. It looks like a little person, but it'll hold the pages down. Grab my little junk journal and it'll hold the pages down here so that way they won't flap open. So we do have a little clip there. Very nice. Okay, we have here is some tape. Okay, so this comes in this cute little pen dispenser. Always need some tape, so we have that, and then you can just use the tape and it looks like a pen, which is really like a chunky pen. Okay, so there's that one. We got a little sticker that says Kellofaplan Whimsy Luxe. Oh, I'm sure that goes with the packaging. Ooh, I'm excited for this because I wanted a little place for putting stickers, and this book is so cute. And it's really nice and compact and small, so I love that. So it's I Heart Stickers. And then here, it's just like sticker paper where you can put stickers that you want to use. My sister actually has a book like this, and I flipped through it recently on a road trip, which was fun to do. And I saw the stickers that she put on here and how she organized them. So I kind of want to do the same thing with some of the stickers that I have that I want to use in junk journaling. So I can have them in this little book, and it's a nice little size too. So you get tons of pages in here with all of the little pages you can put their stickers in. So love that. Okay, what do we have here? Is this refillable? Or this is refills. Okay, that's cool. So we get 2 refill tapes for this because you'll be using lots of tape in your junk journal. Okay, so that's good. Oh, we have this. Are these scissors? I think these are scissors. Okay, these are good scissors to be able to toss into your bag, into your little kits. Okay, so these are scissors. They open up this way. Oh, it has a little thing here. Okay, and then nice little scissors that you can put in your bag, and it has this little cover so that way nothing will get, you know, accidentally cut. So that's nice, and it's a cute little pink color. Okay, then we have some washi. Okay, so 3 rolls of washi. Ooh, I really like this scallop. Okay, let me open this washi up. So 3 rolls. We got this chunky scallop. Try to open this up here. I really like this. That's really cool. So we got that fun striped scallop. I don't think I have striped scallop, so I like seeing that. That's different. Then we have this fun grid. It's kind of wavy in the pattern with different colors. And then we have the plaid or gingham, right? In blue. Kind of similar to the cover of the sticker book. Okay, so 3 rolls, all different sizes of washi right here. Then next, oh, we have the sticker book, which I'll flip through in a bit, but I love the cover design. It's so fun. And this is a sticker book with a bunch of stickers that I will flip through in a bit. And then we have the journal. So there's a junk journal in here. So this kit has all the things you need to start this whole journey, or to, you know, add to whatever you have. But we got the stripes on the cover. It says Kellofaplan Whimsy Luxe. And then we have just some nice plain paper inside for you to decorate. Okay, so that is the journal. And then last we have, ooh, scrapbook paper, because I feel like that's necessary too, even in the little junk journal, the one junk journal spread I've done. I used scrapbook paper in the back of it. So I like that edition of this in this book. So we have a book of scrapbook paper, all this fun different patterns that I'll flip through in a bit. Okay, so lots of things in this box. Actually, let me get the price point for this. So I'm inserting this video in because I forgot to include one more item that actually didn't fit in the box, but it is included in this journal box. It's just separate because the box isn't big enough to fit it. But you do get this really cute, I actually need one of these because right now where I'm putting all my junk, this is where I'm storing all the things I want to use in my junk journal. So now I can actually have a space for it, like a container for it to put all this stuff. It's a nice size little pocket organizer, little organizer where you can stick all your stuff. And then it says on the bottom, this isn't trash, it's premium junk. So love that. So this is also part of this kit. Sorry, you're not going to see it later in this video, but I wanted to mention this because I realized while I was editing that I forgot to put this in. So all of that is going to be in here. The box is $49.99 and the box value, like all of the items, is a value of, $97. So you're getting all these different things for $49.99. Again, if you're interested in purchasing, I will have it linked down in my description. Definitely check it out. And I'm going to flip through some of, well, the sticker books, the sticker book, and then the washi, or the scrapbook paper book, because I love these. They're so fun. The covers are a lot of fun. Okay, so let me go over here. Oh, you know what? Let's see. You can take this little sticker, since I have this sticker, just so I can show you how this works. And you put your stickers in here. And then the paper is a very, like, it doesn't feel, both sides are the same paper. So these stickers will come off very easily. They'll stay on, but they will come off very easily. And I think, yeah, this side, both sides are usable. Because sometimes I've seen some sticker paper books that only one side is the sticky side, and then if you put it on the back, it's like just a matte side, and then the stickers don't come off. So both sides are usable, which is really nice. So you can take your stickers and you can organize them into categories. That's what my sister did, is she organized them all into categories. She had little tabs here, and then that way she could find her stickers easily. And this is something that she would take with her on the go. Since she can't take all of her stickers with her, she would just take, you know, her favorites and put them in here. So I love that. I'm excited for this little sticker book. Okay, so let's flip through the books. Let's do the scrapbook paper first. So this has, let me see, does it have info? It just says they're A5 sides and they're 28 double-sided pages on this, in this book. Okay, so we have the stripe, similar to the cover of the journal. Ooh, with the little dollies, that's cute. Okay, more stripes, and then more stripes, polka dots, different kinds of stripes, different kinds of polka dots. So lots of very neutral patterns, which I like to see, but different kinds, like different sizes of the dots. These are a little bit bigger, different colorways. You got the checkerboard ones here. Ooh, this one's fun. Okay, some more striped ones. This is like the washi, one of the washis, like this one right here. That's fun. And the gingham. Ooh, I like that yellow one. Lots of different colors. You got blue and purple. This like orangey brown color. Got some florals right here. I feel like we have to have florals, especially for Heather, for Kellofaplan. Has to be florals. Oh, the bows are cute. Okay, lots of variety of paper in here. And they're all different. Each side is different, so you can pick and choose which side you want to use. You just tear them out, which I will show in another video how I actually use this to make a spread. So I'm excited for that. Next, we're gonna flip through the sticker book. Can't wait to see these cute stickers. Okay, again, love the cover. Let's admire the cover for a little bit because it's so cute. Okay, so it kind of gives you a preview of some of the stickers that are gonna be in here. And then this one is a 30-page sticker book. Okay, so we got, oh, look how cute with the icing, the frosting, and the cake's a celebrating one here. Okay, next we have some ribbons, and then the buttons. Okay, we have some frames and lockets and stars and keys. Is this colored? Like, this is the gold page. Then we have the silver page. All the different silvery things. Travel. I like the little LAX ticket. The motel sign. Okay, more travel stuff. Road trip, little postcards here. We have a Texas one, Vegas. And cactus and desert flora. Got a really cute pink car. Beach theme ones here. Ooh, okay, these all have been paper stickers right here, but this one is clear stickers. And it's that cross stitch kind of design, which is really cool. That's fun. I've never had stickers like that, so that's cool. Ooh, we have some nice quotes. I love little quotes like this. So lots of little quotes. Dream big, sparkle more, shine bright. Life is beautiful. Life is a beautiful journey. She believed she could, so she did. Crafting with all the scissors and the glue guns. That's a cute little craft. Snack time. Got some snacks, fruits. And we got some party time ones with some drinks and some tea. I like the little tea with the Scrabble letters. Coffee page. I like this one too with the little happy face. Okay, I love these little tickets. Those are cool. And then little washi stickers. The pink section, so pretty with the little cat clock. Okay, got typewriters and cameras. The little binder clips. Oh, rounded punch. I have one like that. Okay, concert music vibes on this one. Got some cameras and film. Old school stuff there. Ooh, I love the little cameras and then the photo frames. Dinner ticket, little crumpled up $5 bill. Black section here. Got some like vintage looking stuff here. The air freshener. It's like such random things, but it's really, really cute. A little dice. The strawberry button, love that. Got TV and cameras, the little film strip, photos. We have some alphabet letters here and some different styles here. And then the ones that look like the friendship beads, these are cool. And then black. Okay, that was such a cute book. Okay, so that is the Kellofaplan Whimsy Luxe sticker book. And those are all the items that are in this box. Really nice variety of things. I love seeing some of the like functional things that you can use, and obviously the decorative items, all the different things that you can use to journal with. So again, this is available to purchase on Friday. Info about the release will be down in the description. My affiliate link, if you want to check out all the details of this box, it is up on the Kellofaplan website right now, so definitely check that out. And then stay tuned for my video where I actually get to use these products, which I'm very excited to do, because I've been trying to be better about doing some spreads. So I'm going to print out some pictures, because for me, I like to do some pictures with the journaling and the memory keeping and that kind of thing. So I'm going to do that in the next video. Stay tuned for that. But that's going to be it for this one. I hope you all enjoyed watching as I unbox this awesome new box from Kellofaplan and Whimsy Luxe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.